Welcome to SmartTutor, an AI-powered smart learning platform designed to connect students, teachers, parents, and administrators in one intelligent ecosystem. The journey starts with a secure authentication system, including sign-up, login, OTP verification, and password recovery. Teachers can create professional profiles by adding their qualifications, subjects, and experience. Once approved, teachers gain access to a powerful dashboard where they can manage student enrollments, see all enrollstants, conduct live online classes with single and group, collaborate using a digital whiteboard, track attendance and marks of students, and receive assistance from an AI-powered teacher assistant to generate student reports for attendance and marks and generate questions. Students can discover qualified tutors, explore teacher profiles and reviews, send enrollment requests, chat with teachers in real time, attend online classes, monitor their attendance and academic performance, and view tutor locations on an integrated map. Parents can stay involved through a dedicated parent portal, where they can track their child's progress and academic performance. Finally, the admin dashboard ensures quality by managing teacher approvals, monitoring users, and maintaining a trusted learning environment.